Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am making this video because you did not do very well on your quick quiz. And so after watching this video, you will have the opportunity to redo your quick quiz. I'm going to show you how to multiply 2/5 and 3/7. I apologize for the green box that keeps popping up. It's the auto focus box, so just ignore it. First thing I have to do is find a common denominator for 5 and 7. I can do that by looking at my multiplication table and going down the list. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And in 7, I have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So the first number that I come to that's the same in both columns is 35. I can also just list, if I don't have a multiplication table, I can just list my multiples for 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I can list my multiples for 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And I see that the first number I come to that's the same is 35. So now then, I want to find an equivalent fraction to 2/5 that has a denominator of 35. So using the giant 1, 2/5 times my giant 1, and it has to equal a denominator of 35. So I have to have 7 here. Since this has got to equal 1, I have to have 7 up here as well. So 2 times 7 is 14. So my equivalent fraction to 2/5 is 14/35. So I'm just going to write 14/35 underneath my 2/5. Now I have to find an equivalent fraction for 3/7. So 3/7 times a fraction that is equivalent to 1 that will give me 35 as a denominator is 5/5. 3 times 5 is 15. So my equivalent fraction for 3/7 is 15/35. So I add 15/35. So see, now I have an equivalent fraction for 2/5 and an equivalent fraction for 3/7 where both of them are cut into equal parts. So now I can add my numerators. 14 plus 15 is 29, and my denominator stays the same. So that would be my answer. So 2/5 plus 3/7 equals 29/35. So now that you've watched this, hopefully you understand a little bit better how to add fractions using a common denominator, and you can go back now and retake your quick quiz. Thank you.